It was barely 6 o'clock in the morning. I had yet to drink my first cup of coffee, but I already pretty much had my next video all mapped out. I knew which bags I was going to talk about. I knew why I had chosen them. I knew exactly what I was going to say about these bags, but that video has to happen another day. You see, later in that morning, I got a package from Lindsey. She is from Luxe Leather Revival, and inside of it, this lovely bag. I just had to make a video about it right there and then. We're talking about a Coach 2012 reissue, and the leather and the color is just beautiful. Wait till you see it. I am excited to show you this bag. And if you're new to this channel, hey, hi, how are you? My name is Roxana and welcome to my neck of the woods. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. Okay, let's get into it. So I want to wear this dress today. I am thinking about wearing this bag with the dress because I got the matching shoes in here. I'll show them to you in just a second. However, I got a package just now in the mail, and I'm wondering if the purse in here is going to match a little bit better. I'm hoping it's going to be like a pop of color than this bag. Whoops, let's turn it around. Than this swirl bag from Coach. Oh, here's the bag. Okay, let's show the bag in just a little bit. But I also got this chain that I've been wanting to get it for a while. Here it is, Luxe Revival, and then she does have a QR code. I will put her information down below. I don't see the chain inside here, but it's probably inside the bag. Now this bag, it is a Coach. I'm expecting it to be the color green, and I'm thinking that the green might pop against this more than the white. Here it is, you guys. I don't know a lot about it. All I know, the leather is so pretty. Autumn has it in her background on her channel. You know, Autumn loves the color green. And let me see inside of it. Here we go. I think she sent me a free gift. Yes, I love it. It's a Portland leather. What do they call this? I can't remember what they call this, but I love the color. And I do use these little pouches to put items in my, there's more. It's so cute. She gave me a Coach tag and a twilly. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I didn't expect this. Lindsey asked me if I wanted something from her last sale because she just sent the package a little bit later, which is fine. It's fine. But I told her, no, you don't need to send me anything, but she did anyway. This is beyond, I'm just so happy. I told Lindsey, listen, don't worry about it, but look at that. She does wonderful customer service, let me tell you. And here she is the tag, the Coach tag. I am loving this. So let me put it on this bag. I am gonna wear this bag right now. Let me see. I'm sure I'm gonna dress it up some more. Let me see, how about if I put it on the other side? I think it will look better on the other side. I think this looks really good. And then here it is, you guys. There is this chain. I've been wanting this. Okay, you guys, I call this a chain, but its official name is the Rainbow Strap in Gloved Leather, and it was initially released for Pride in 2023, and I love it. I got the bag and the chain from Lindsey. Let me dress this bag up a little bit more and go from there. Okay, I'm back. So this is how I chose to charm up this bag. I put a chain. This chain is from Patricia Nash, and I couldn't figure out, I just got back from church, you guys, and I couldn't figure out what was dingling. I thought it was like a bell, that I had a bell on the charm, but it's actually the charms touching each other. That's what it is. So it's got a Parisian theme to this charm. It's not real leather, I don't think, but I think I got it off of Amazon. I don't remember. Then of course I got the Coach tag that I got as a free gift, which I'm so happy. This chain is also from Amazon. So this is how I charmed up my bag. What do you think? The reason why I wanted to wear the swirl bag from Coach, it's the Coach Tabby, it's because it matches my new shoes. Let me show you my new shoes. I got them last week. They're Vents. They're exactly the type of shoe that I like, which is just a little bit of a kitten heel. They are sling back, so they will easily hold my foot in, and I like these. They're very soft. I paid $156 with tax and everything, but the shoe itself, I believe, was $320 originally. I love these shoes. I got them last week when I went to the Coach outlet store. They also have a Vince outlet, and yeah, very happy with these shoes. I needed a neutral pair of shoes, and I really wanted to wear them today. Of course, I would love to find some shoes that are this color, but this works just fine. So yeah, I have some more goodies in that bag down there, and I'll eventually open them. Now, this twin lock, this bag I got on an excellent deal from Macy's, and I haven't been wearing it much. It's kind of hard to style, like to hang things off of it. So that's one of the reasons that I haven't worn it that much. I did put a key ring that I could hang stuff on there, but when I hang stuff on there, it covers the twin locks, and that's what I like. I love these. What are these called? Twin locks? Turn locks. It covers the turn locks, but I wonder how the chain will look on this. I wonder if I can somehow put the chain on here. I don't know. We'll see. Let me see. And not cover the turn locks. This is what I'm thinking. Let's see if this works. No, not really. This, no. I like the option to be able to charm up my bags, and this one, it's a little bit tricky. But I am sure that I'll find another bag for this chain. I am so loving this chain. It's gorgeous. I paid $175 for it, and I think that was a very good deal. I don't know how much it originally sold for, but I know it's hard to find. I've been looking for this chain for a little. Initially, this chain sold for $195 in 2023. It did go on sale in 2024 for $74, but as you can see, this was a sold from eBay, a recent sold for $300, so I think I got an excellent deal. Now this Twilly, I know which bag I'm thinking of. My Coach Willis. I had a scarf that I had on the handle, but that scarf, it was a triangle scarf, and every time I put it on, it came off. It would slide right off. So, what do you think? Let's see if I can even it out a little bit better. I mean, I don't have to have this on here. This is just a leftover charm. Here, let me take this off. You know, I gotta come up with a better way to secure this because they are still sliding off. But I have to put them on here a little bit better. But yeah, I think the coloring works really nice with my Willis bag, that's for sure. And here I can secure it by sliding it over here a little bit better. But yeah, what do you think? How about now? And I'm sure I'll add something over here. How about now? I wonder, wow, I think this chain would work. How about this? Let's see. Yeah, it will definitely work on the bag. Actually, this looks pretty good. Now, when you open the bag, see, the chain gets in the way. So you have to hold, I learned this trick from Eva. You have to hold the chain while you open the bag. So I have to remember to grab the chain and then open the bag and get inside of it. But I can definitely put this chain on many other bags. I just love it, and it is just so soft. It's very nice. As I'm editing the video, I realized I forgot to tell you the name of the bag. You guys, this is the Madison bag. It is a reissue in 2012, and it is in gloved leather. That's why it's so soft. And the bag originally was about $350. It is in lime green, which is a color that is harder to find, and I absolutely love it. It fits a lot of stuff, as you will see. I think this is going to live on here too, because I like the stair step way. I like how this looks, and I have a feeling this one's gonna live on here too. My gosh, the leather, it is so soft. But let me show you what fits inside of it. So I do have a corner zip. It's the candy one, and inside here is just has lotion and lipstick and perfume, lip gloss, things of that nature. And then I have my card holder with my driver's license. I use that a lot. This is a Hermes dupe, and it is from Naomi Crafted. And you guys, Naomi is crafting a lovely bag. It's an Hermes dupe for me. So when that comes in, of course, I will show you. I do have a fan, and Lord knows I've been using it because it is so hot outside. So a lot of things fit in it. Here is a mirror, and the mirror does not fit in here. I have too much stuff in here, so that's why I just kind of shoved it in there. Maybe it does. Never mind. There we go. It does fit in there. So it's got a slip pocket, and on the pocket we have the stamp. Can you see it? It's stamped on the leather, and it is 2012. It looks like the bag is from 2012. The lining is suede. This is just a lovely bag. It's just gorgeous. I am so happy to have it, and I paid $200 for it, and I think I paid a great price for it. So what do you think of this lovely bag, of the Madison reissue from 2012 in lime green color? I love the color, don't you? This reminds me of a Rowan, doesn't it? Except the leather is softer and thinner and more supple, while the Rowan, you know what? If you want me to do a comparison between the Rowan and this bag, let me know down below. I didn't think I was gonna like it as much because it does not have a crossbody. So the only way you can carry this bag is by the handles and also by in the crook of your arm. If this type of content is your vibe, and when I mean content, I mean chatty videos about bags, especially Coach bags, then by all means subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for commenting, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.